In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new list in Brevo. This is a simple process that should take about 5 minutes. Whether you're starting from scratch or organizing your existing contacts, creating a list is a great way to keep everything neat and organized. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your web browser and go to Brevo's website. This is your starting point and the gateway to managing your contacts and campaigns. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure you have your login details handy, as you'll need them to access all the features Brevo offers. After logging in, direct your attention to the Contacts section within your Brevo account. Here is where you can manage all your contacts and, of course, create new lists. Once you're in the Contacts section, look for the option that says Lists and go ahead and select it. This area will display all your current lists, if you have any, and will also allow you to create new ones. Now, you're ready to create a new list. Look for the button labeled Create a List and click on it. This will open a new prompt where you can input details about your list. The first thing you'll need to do here is provide a name for your new list. Choose something descriptive and easy to recognize, as this will help you find and manage it later on. Next, you have the option to choose an existing folder to place your list in. This is a helpful step if you want to keep your lists organized from the get-go. If you don't have a suitable folder yet, or if you'd just like to start fresh, you can create a new folder at this stage. Having your lists neatly organized in folders can make managing them much easier, especially as you build more contacts and lists over time. Once you've named your list and chosen the right folder, it's time to finalize the process. Click on the Create List button, and voila! You've successfully created a new list in Brevo. Now you can start adding contacts to your list and use it for your marketing campaigns or any other purpose you have in mind. Remember, keeping your lists organized is an essential part of effective contact management. So, whether you're segmenting your contacts for targeted marketing or simply keeping everything orderly, creating well-named lists in a structured manner will save you time and hassle down the road. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your contacts with Brevo.